So now let's talk about the script editor enhancements. So there's been some new additions, some new options with the script editor environment, which provides more flexibility for the user experience. And we're going to be seeing some examples here. You can actually change the default font and font size, as well as enable and disable autocomplete in configuration mode, which you can do before. You can also enable and disable autocomplete while in the script editor. And you can even access the zoom for the editor from the menu and toolbar. So this video will show how all of that works. So you can see right here the configuration options that are in the window maker configuration area right here. They were not there before. So now you can see you can edit the, text font, the size, and you can, check the box for disable the script autocomplete or enable it. And we'll go to the script itself right here. So here is the script environment, and what you can do in here is you can change the options locally. So if we go to edit, you can see there's a disable script autocomplete option. And so what that does is it disables that autocomplete locally to that particular script instead of making it global. So this is something that's new that wasn't possible before and expands your capabilities as a script programmer.